Hello and welcome to all in tutorial 2 of 3D software. So today in this video we are going to see how to create and navigate through 3D molecular canvas. To create the new canvas, click on the new canvas button. Give the project name. So you have to give the dimension of your molecule, height, width and depth. So height and width are given in terms of DNA helices. Let's take it 3 by 3. And depth are given in terms of DNA base pairs. It should be multiple of 8 or 13. So to give the depth of 3 you have to give the 24, which is 8 into 3, or 39. So I am giving it 24. Here you can see the welcome screen which shows the 3D DNA 3D molecular canvas. On the left side you can see the navigation panel. So through this you can zoom in or zoom out your structure. These are the translation buttons, so you can translate your structure through this. To rotate your structure, use these buttons, and for doing the undo operation, use the undo button. Okay, now to navigate your structure using mouse, let's say you have to do the zooming operation using mouse. So you have to press your scroll wheel and apply the left button and drag your mouse. See, you can zoom in or zoom out the structure. Now to translate your structure, you have to click the right button and drag the mouse. See, you can translate your structure. And now to rotate the structure, click the left button and drag the mouse. You can rotate the structure. Okay, thank you.